Hello again, YouTube. This is going to be part 2 of using the Eureka Power Speed vacuum cleaner. Once you've used it for a while, it will start having less suction. This is because it has a very good suction chamber in here that creates a tornado inside, and it tends to wrap all the garbage like hair around a specific section, and it clogs it, and it completely stops working once it gets clogged. So you have to clean it periodically. So to clean it, push the red button here, read the instructions here. They tell you what to do, but I'll demonstrate. So two things you need to clean. You need to clean the top filter, which it shows you. Open the cap, so unlock it here. It opens, take this thing out, take this lift, and just wash this in the sink. Wash out all the dirt until it comes out clean water, until clean water starts coming out. Dry it for 24 hours, put it back in, and it says here inside, first inside. So like this, nope, like this. Put it in like that, close it, and that's the first part of the cleaning. The second part of the cleaning is actually more important, the cyclone part. So you got to lift the cyclone. So again, you open up this, pull out this, grab by these little handle thingies, pull it up, and now to get to the hair that can be twined about the suction holes, you need to twist and unlock like that. And already we see more hair over just one day of vacuuming. It's already starting to happen. So eventually, if you don't clean it, this thing gets completely clogged and it stops working completely. It won't suck in anything. So you got to do this once in a while. Just remove the hair from it, put it in the garbage, and then put this back. It locks only one way, so you got to find the right way to lock it in. Just push and twist and it will lock. It will click. If it doesn't click, you didn't do it right. So fish around for the holes. There's 2 locking holes and 1 guide hole, and the same thing on this end. So you just gotta line those up, twist, click, put it back in here, put back the filter, close it, and you're all set. Thank you.